Introduction: organizing your home is crucial for creating an environment that promotes focus, productivity, and overall well-being. As a successful specialist in motivation, I understand the importance of optimizing your living space to support your goals and aspirations. First, declutter your home by removing unnecessary items and organizing belongings into designated spaces. This not only creates a visually appealing environment but also reduces distractions and allows for better focus on important tasks. Second, establish a dedicated workspace that is free from distractions. Whether it's a separate room or a designated corner, having a specific area for work or study helps train your mind to associate that space with focus and productivity. Third, create a daily routine that incorporates cleaning and organizing habits. By setting aside time each day to tidy up, you maintain a clutter-free environment and prevent distractions from accumulating. Summary: declutter and organize your belongings to reduce distractions and create a visually appealing space. Designate a dedicated workspace that is free from distractions to enhance focus and productivity. Establish a daily routine that includes cleaning and organizing habits to maintain an organized home environment.